Hi folks, it's Moz here, and Lidl have put on their website the new starter sets that they're bringing in from the 14th of June 2026. So yes, on the website, apparently in the middle of Lidl, from the 14th of June, we're going to be having 4 starter sets from Airfix. And the first one is the Westland Gazelle in 1/72 scale. This tooling is from 1973, so quite an old one. But not as old as the de Havilland DH88 Comet, which is also in 1/72 scale. This one was tooled back in 1958. The third kit that's been announced for Lidl this year is the long wheelbase Land Rover soft top with trailer. Now, this was first released by Airfix in 2008. But it actually belonged to JB Models. They first released it in the 90s. And then when they went bust, I think Airfix bought that tooling. And then the final one is the Aston Martin DB5, which is actually what I would call a genuine proper starter set from Airfix. They released that one in 2023. That one's in 1/43 scale, and we've seen that one being pushed out by Airfix as a real gateway into becoming a proper plastic scale modeler. And it is a very, very good kit. But out of those 4, that's the only one which is what I would say new, and I would actually call a genuine starter set. Now, these kits are going to be for sale, as I said, I think it's the 14th of June, look on the website, and the pricings is £6.99. So for £7, you're going to get plastic, decals, instructions, a guide on how to build these model kits, and you get your paints and your cement and a paintbrush too. So there you are. Those 4 are going to be in store in next week. Now, also, just looking at the box art, they've gone back to what I think is like the original headers, the old bag kits, that sort of design, clearly in a box. Now, there is a lot of rumours online, and I've seen it myself. I even got caught out by it because somebody had put it through an AI checker and it came up as 94% AI generated. But I have been told from the top that they are not AI generated. These are professionally created by a father and son business, which is interesting. Personally, I don't really like it. You know, I love like the Toomby artwork that we've always seen on an Airfix kit, and Toomby art has become the fabric of the Airfix kit, and it's the first image you see that will excite you in wanting to build that kit. I'm going to say this now as somebody who really wants Airfix to win. I think that putting out these older toolings is a big mistake. They are not starter sets. Now, the DB5, yes, it is designed and made and created for the starter in mind. Lovely CAD designed tooling. Now, the Land Rover, which is in 1/72 or 1/76, is a lot smaller, a little bit fiddly. It's like the Willys Jeep. It's not brilliant. You know, somebody who is new to scale modelling would probably kind of struggle with that because it's very small. And then you've got older kits like the Gazelle and the Comet, which are not brilliant. They are of their time, and I say that strongly. They are of their time. The few parts, I get that, but that Gazelle, crumbs. I think I attempted that and never finished it. Then they are gift sets. If you're going to do it, put paints, glue, cement in, but they're not aimed at the starter. So I'm going to put that in. I think that is a bad choice. The Gazelle and the Comet are bad choices. Land Rover, yeah, you'll get a model out of it. It's a good tooling, that JB Models tooling. And the DB5 is fantastic. I'll give that to anyone as a starter set, most definitely. Why not put the Jag in? You know, the Jag's a fantastic little kit as well for a starter, and designed with the starter in mind. Just my 2 pennies worth on that. But I think there's a more pressing issue. And I do press on this, and I just wonder whether this is something that we should be looking into, that it's not military. All these are civilian releases. All the decals, the schemes, is all civilian. There's nothing military with these kits. And I'm just asking the question, why? Is this a choice from Lidl? You know, that they don't want to have military subjects in their stores anymore, which will be really sad because, you know, scale modelling is predominantly a military hobby, and I get that some people may not like it, but also it is something that you can learn about. It, you know, building scale models is a history lesson in itself, if you know what I mean. But anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. Would you be going out to Lidl and buying these because they're quite cheap at $6.99? Do you like the new box art? Do you like the fact that it's all civilian vehicles or civilian schemes? Just let me know in the comments box below, because I do try and reply. Anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. To subscribe to this channel is free, and it does help the channel grow. Again, in one of the four corners will be a video or a playlist of other content on my channel you may like, and hopefully I will see you over there.